Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are fine. Today I'm here with an amazing video. You will learn about Vernier Caliper, its structure and its uses, and all over its process to measure. So let's start. Vernier Caliper are precision measuring instrument commonly used in various fields such as engineering, manufacturing, and science to measure dimensions of objects with high accuracy. They consist of main scale, a sliding vernier scale, and a measuring jaw. Here is a detailed breakdown of the components and functioning of Vernier Caliper. Number 1. Main scale. The main scale is a long, graduated scale that runs parallel to the measuring law. It is marked with millimeter or inches division depending on the unit of measurement. The sliding vernier scale is a smaller scale that slides along the main scale. It has division that is slightly smaller than those on main scale and is used to obtain more precise measurement. The measuring jaw is a part of the caliper that comes in contact with an object being measured. It consists of an upper and a lower jaw. The upper jaw is fixed and contains the main scale, while the lower jaw is movable and holds the vernier scale. Depth probe. Some vernier caliper have a depth probe attached to the lower jaw. The depth probe extends perpendicularly to the main scale and allows to measuring of the depth of holes or slot. How to use a vernier caliper? Number 1. Opening. To being used, a vernier caliper open the jaws fully by sliding the vernier scale toward the end of the main scale. Number 2. Object placement. Place the object to be measured between the jaws, ensuring it is positioned correctly and firmly. Closing the jaws. Gradually close the jaws by sliding the vernier scale toward the object until it is securely held. Number 4. Reading the main scale. Look at the main scale and note the whole number that lines up with the 0 on the vernier scale. This number represents the main scale reading. Reading the vernier scale. Observe the division on the vernier scale and determine which line coincides the most closely with any line on the main scale. Note the corresponding vernier scale division. Number 6. Calculating the measurements. Add the main scale reading to the vernier scale reading to obtain the final measurement. The vernier scale reading provides the additional precision beyond the main scale division. For example, if the main scale reading is 3.0 cm and the vernier scale reading is 0.05 cm, the final measurement would be adding by these two values, which is 3.05 cm. Vernier caliper can measure both internal and external dimensions as well as depth using the depth probe. They are known for their high precision, typically capable of measuring to within 0.02 mm or 0.001 inches, depending on the caliper's quality. It is important to handle vernier caliper with care, avoiding excessive force or mishandling to maintain their accuracy. Regular cleaning and proper storage are also recommended to ensure their longevity and reliability. Hope you enjoyed it. Share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz. Take care.